There is very simple way of making Bombay sandwich. I'm using white bread with edges cut, and then this is a soft butter that I have applied generously on 3 pieces. I'm also going to apply green chutney on top of the butter. So we need at least 3 such slices, and we will be making triple. So generous amount of green chutney along with butter. Use good quality salty butter, and same thing with cheese. So I'm going to make sure sauce is spread all the way to the corners. It's very easy. If you make it this way, result will be awesome. It will be very tasty, and it is very simple. No need to complicate this recipe. So once this is done, we have to layer it with veggies. First, I'm going to add tomatoes. Let's say I have big tomatoes, so I'm going to layer 2 full tomatoes and 1 small tomato. This should be good as my first layer. And then this thing is also buttered in the bottom, and this goes on top. Now I will be layering some potatoes. I have boiled and thinly sliced potatoes. You can use any potato, golden potato, white potato. This is mix of both the potatoes. So this layer is complete. I'm going to sprinkle some black salt on top so we can season it. I'm going to use black salt and chaat masala. You can also use black salt and peri peri. This gives good taste. This one is also buttered in the bottom. So here goes my third layer. I'm going to add some cucumbers and tomato as well. So here goes my layer of cucumbers. I'm going to add enough to cover, and then I'm not using a lot of onion. If you prefer onion, you can eat a lot of onions. I'm just adding some rounds like so. And now I'm going to add my chaat masala on top, and then I'm going to add, you can add veggies of your choice. For example, if you want to add some peppers along with onion, go ahead and do that. And then I'm adding some cheese, generous cheese. I'm adding mozzarella cheese, good quality mozzarella cheese. And then I'm also going to add some chaat masala, and then we're going to cover it with another slice. And then there are 2 ways of enjoying this sandwich. For example, here goes my chaat masala on the top. Now I'm going to cover this, apply butter on both the slices, at the top, at the bottom. You can enjoy it like that, or you can toast it. I'm going to grill it and show you the final result. Here it is out of the grill. Look at all the layers. Looks incredible. Enjoy that with mint chutney and some ketchup. This is our Bombay sandwich. I make all different flavors. I even add sometimes piece of paneer, thinly sliced paneer, or some more peppers. It's just about your choice of veggies. I have tried it with peri peri masala, chaat masala, sandwich masala. It all comes out great. Keep it simple, keep it healthy, and enjoy Bombay sandwich. Bye. Thank you.